What's going on, guys? So this is my camera, and I'm going to get this real quick. So here's how I've always done it, and here's how I was taught to do it. So you go like this, hold the button down, and it'll go. But I want you to watch. When it's like this, it'll turn to one side. It will not stay perfectly level. See it? It's turning to the left. It won't stay flat perfectly up and down. See it? It's like real slowly getting off of the middle where it's supposed to be. So if you guys have one of these, I was wondering if anybody knows how to fix that. See, once again, see, now it's starting to move off again, and it's slanted. So let me know in the comments, please, if you know how to fix this.